Govee says these create this smooth S-shaped lighting effect. So I tested 3 different layouts on 2 different paths to see which gives you the best result. Welcome to the 608. This is my Lighting the Pathway series. Today we're testing the Govee Pathway Lights 2 Light, and how you install them makes a huge difference in how they look. Govee sent me these to test, and I'm going to show you how to get the best results with them. And here's a quick look. Individual pathway lights connected by a cable system. Each light is independently controlled, so you can run different colors and effects. And these are built for outdoor use, so rain and weather aren't a concern. You get scenes, colors, and scheduling, but honestly, placement matters more than anything. So Govee recommends 3 different installation layouts, and I'm going to show you all 3 of those. The first 3 is going to be on a nice wide path. First, everything in a straight line on one side. This works, but it's more of an accent look than full path lighting. You'll notice more shadows and less coverage. Next, we have opposite one another. Now you're getting even coverage across the entire path. This is where you start getting true pathway lighting. Now this is what Govee is going for. That S-shaped lighting effect. If you're going for a more designed look, this is the setup. You just want to be intentional with spacing. Now we're going to test these on a more typical walkway. This is a narrower path with curves. This is where placement becomes more important. On smaller paths, spacing matters more. Corners are where it either flows or feels off. Like most outdoor Govee lights, installation's easy. It's got a stake, and you just stake it in the ground. You can adjust it. Once you have everything dialed in, this is where these lights really stand out. So far, my biggest issue with these is that they are permanently connected to the wire harness, making it very difficult to slide the wire underneath your pathway. When these are set up right, they look really nice. The white light is actually usable, not just decorative. Each light is individually adjustable to the color that you choose. These do take a little planning to get the best results, and you may want to adjust placement a couple of times to really dial it in. Same lights, just different layouts. And that's what really changes the result. If you place these quickly, they're still going to look good. But if you take a little time, they're going to look incredible. For me, this staggered look is the best overall. I'll be adding these to the art of the 608 soon. Be sure to follow along to see how it all comes together.